In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the AI model in Base44. We'll walk through where to go, what to click, and how to make the right choice for your project. This is perfect if you want to switch to a faster model for prototyping or a more capable one for production. I'll keep it simple and give you helpful context along the way. First, head to Base44 in your browser and open your app workspace. For the smoothest experience, use an up-to-date browser and make sure you're signed in to the account that owns or can edit the app you want to adjust. Once you're in, load the editor so you can view your app the way builders see it, not just as an end user. Next, start building. This takes you into the main editor canvas where your components, data connections, and AI features come together. When the building view loads, you should see the interface where you configure the app's logic and integrations. This is the right place to make AI-related changes because those settings live alongside the rest of your app configuration. Now, look for the settings icon in the building display. It's the gear-shaped icon that opens the configuration panel for your current app. Click it to reveal the settings drawer. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're in the editor view and that you have edit permissions for this project. The settings panel is where Base44 groups important options so you can keep your build organized. Inside the settings, find the AI model section. This is where you choose which model powers your app's AI features. You'll see a picker or drop-down with available models. Keep in mind that access to certain models depends on your plan. If you're on a basic or free plan, you might only see the default option. Upgraded plans typically unlock a wider range of models so you can balance speed, cost, and capability. Select the model that best fits your needs. As a quick guideline, lighter models are usually faster and more cost-efficient, great for simple prompts and high-traffic use cases. More advanced models tend to be better at complex reasoning, nuanced language, or longer contexts, but they may be slower or more expensive. Check any descriptions or tooltips provided to confirm what each model is optimized for. After you make your choice, confirm any save or apply prompt if one appears, and you're set. That's it. You went to Base44, entered the building view, opened the settings, and chose your AI model based on your plan. You're now ready to continue building with the model that fits your goals. Thanks for watching, and happy building.